Hello students, I hope everyone is doing fine. Today we will learn about push and pull, changing shape and how big is that force from Unit 6, Forces and Movement. A force is a push or pull of an object. What is push and pull? They are forces that create movement. Push or pushing moves things away from you. What are the things we push? We push a door, we push each other on the swing, we push a car toy, we push a soccer ball by kicking, we push the nail in with the hammer, we push down on the bike pedals to ride our bike. Pull or pulling move things towards you. What are the things we pull? A horse pulls a cart along. We pull on a rope in a game of tug of war. We pull open a door. We pull open a book to read. We use forces every day to move things and to move ourselves. Forces causes an object to move. Forces can start and stop things moving. Force can make things get faster, slow down, or change direction. It can also make things go up and things to go down, forth and back. It also makes things go round. It is one of the effects of force. A force can change the shape of an object if you apply force on it. For example, if you hold a balloon in your hand and press it, you will see the balloon is no longer round, but it changes its shape and size. Look at the picture. See how a baker uses a force when making bread. The potter using a force to create a clay pot. Carpenter using a force to carve the wood. Turn to page number 60 from your learner's book. You will see activity 6.2, investigating forces. You will need a ball of clay and ruler. Drop a ball of clay from a height of 5 cm. Observe what happens to the ball of clay. Write down your observation or draw what the clay looks like. Shape the clay into a ball again. Drop the ball from a height of 10 cm. What is the effect on the ball of clay? Drop the ball of clay from 3 more different heights. Use ideas about forces to explain the pattern. This activity will help you to understand more on how forces can change the shape of things. Pushing and pulling an object, you are applying energy on it to make it move. But do you know how much force you are applying to an object? Let's find out. Forces can be big or small. When you are pushing or pulling on a light object, you are applying small force towards the object. It doesn't take too much energy from you. However, pushing or pulling on a heavy object, in this case, you are putting more effort and more energy in moving that object. Look at some examples of small force and a big force. Look at the picture and think, are this picture using small force or big force? As you can see, the girl holding just a balloon. She is not using any strength because the balloon is not heavy. So this is an example of a small force. The boy is trying so hard to push the rock, so he is using all of his strength to move the rock. This is an example of a big force. We cannot see force with our naked eyes, but we can estimate the amount of force required. So, I hope you have understood. That's all for today. Thank you and stay safe.